Before we get started, there's a special discount link for the 15-minute weight loss program in the description of this video. 15-minute weight loss review. Can hypnosis help you lose weight? Do you feel embarrassed with the bulging belly and thudding thighs? Are there excess muscles swinging up and down under your arms and legs? Are you looking for a better and yet an easy way to lose this weight? Here, let me introduce a breakthrough program for you to get in shape without any exercise or diets. 15-minute weight loss program will put you in autopilot, and you can lose weight automatically. You don't have to feel any guilt for staying fat. Because it is not your fault. Many people eat more than what you eat, and they stay lean as a stick. You can also do the same. From the hypnosis technique in this program, you can eat anything you want and stay fit. Know more about this program in this video review below. What is 15-minute weight loss? You might be wondering, how can anyone lose weight within 15 minutes without having to exercise? Let me be clear with this: losing your belly bumps has something to do with your brain waves and not your diet. 15-minute weight loss program has brilliant ways to reprogram your mind into believing you are lean and sexy. So your subconscious mind will signal your body to lose weight automatically. This technique of losing weight must seem absurd. A lot of people were skeptical about this program, and once when they used it, they got jaw-dropping results. It uses hypnotic weight loss to help you reduce weight. It reaches your theta state of mind and makes things possible. One can reach the theta state only with years of meditation. Through this program, you can reach the theta state just by listening to the powerful audio sessions. Then it can reprogram your mind to lose weight. Your subconscious mind will start to release fat-burning hormones to get rid of the fats, and you lose weight effortlessly. How can you lose weight in 15 minutes? 15-minute weight loss program was put together by Cara with the help of Anthony Swales. Anthony practiced hypnosis techniques for many years, and several people have benefited from his hypnotic weight loss. There is scientific proof that your subconscious mind is responsible for your weight. It controls the production of hormones in your body and makes you feel hungry. If your subconscious decides you should lose weight, it will speed up the metabolism and make you lose pounds of fats in a matter of days. The hormone cortisol induces fat storage, and your body clings onto fat in your body. If you want to lose weight, decreasing the levels of these hormones will cause remarkable changes. First, you need to believe that you are fat because of your subconscious and that you deserve to lose weight and be slim. This is the first step in hypnotic weight loss. With all the sessions in this program, your right brain and left brain will come to sync. They use cymatics to achieve this and bring your brain to the theta state. Theta state of mind can be achieved only by monks through deep meditation. But using cymatics, anyone can reach it. When you reach the theta state through the sessions in this program, then anything and everything is possible. Anthony recorded every session using subliminal technology. The words of Anthony will not be audible to your conscious mind, but your subconscious mind will hear it. It is the best way to avoid skepticism. You will listen to beautiful music, but your subconscious will hear the real tricks. What will you gain from 15-minute weight loss? This program will convince your subconscious that you have to lose weight. In this way, your mind will command your body to burn all the fats and become slim. Your body will show a decline in fat-storing hormones like cortisol and ghrelin. You will feel less stress and more energetic. You will always be ready to go for a morning jog and workout routine. It will program your mind to enjoy eating healthy foods that do not have fats in it. You will lose weight, even if you are not doing any exercise every day. You will get a good sleep in the night as your metabolism works well. The hypnosis audio will be soothing to your ears. You will listen to music alone while the words will enter your subconscious subliminally. Advantages. 15-minute weight loss can make you fit and healthy. It is simple to follow as the audio uses basic language. You just require 15 minutes daily with this program to lose weight. If you follow it regularly, the results may be permanent. You need to find a pair of earphones and press play. Then you will be on autopilot. You will shed excess weight automatically. There are no known side effects of this program. It is in a digital format, so you can download and use it in any device. You will love to take healthy foods. The vibration frequencies will make you feel divine. They offer a money refund guarantee with this product. Disadvantages. You should have an internet connection to download the program. You must use the program regularly to get long-lasting results. The bottom line. 15-minute weight loss has true science behind its method. When hypnosis can help people to achieve greatness in life, why cannot it help you look healthy and happy? This program will take you by surprise in just 21 days of using it. You can effortlessly lose more weight than all your friends who are running on treadmills and eating salads. Place the order now. You don't want to waste even a minute, just click on the link below.